Want to know your exact mouse DPI for gaming or design work? Today, let's learn how to check your mouse DPI or dots per inch in Windows 10 or 11. No software needed. First, disable mouse acceleration for accurate results. Click the search bar, bottom left. Type mouse settings, then click additional mouse options. Go to pointer options, uncheck, enhance pointer, precision, then click apply. Next, open any browser and go to google.com and search DPI Analyzer. Click the first result, mousesensitivity.com, scroll down to the ruler tool. Now grab a physical ruler and enter 1 in target distance box. Click the red circle, move mouse exactly 1 inch on your mouse pad. Check actual DPI. Now you can tweak sensitivity in games like Valorant or Photoshop. Like this guide? Subscribe for more tech tips. I test gear so you don't have to.